Welcome back to an impromptu edition of Chad's Curry Workshop, live from Cape Verde at the request of Richard Brown. So we all need your help. Richard Brown's come back from his billet with Goa with a butter chicken recipe, and we're trying to recreate Richard's favourite dish from that holiday. We're a few missing pieces, so Richard and I have been piecing it together, and we're looking for a few group members to help us test the recipe and finesse the recipe and hopefully get it as good as it can be for Richard. So we've pulled everything together. We have some screenshots, the list of the ingredients Richard got from the chef, so you could have a look. If you can, please try. Feedback, any advice and guidance on specific measurements and techniques, and Richard and I will then record a video and hopefully share it fully with the group. So I'm going to get back on with my holiday. We'll have a beer and we'll see you all soon. Thank you.
दामन लगिया मौला मैं तो तेरी मस्त